Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young and curious student named Koji. Koji was deeply interested in the teachings of Zen, a philosophy that emphasized mindfulness, self-discovery, and the pursuit of enlightenment. Every day, Koji would visit the local Zen master, Master Hiroshi, to learn from his wisdom. Master Hiroshi was known for his deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and his ability to guide his students towards inner peace and harmony. One day, Koji approached Master Hiroshi with a question that had been on his mind for quite some time. "Master," Koji said, "I understand the importance of words and communication, but I wonder if there is a way to connect with others without relying on language." Master Hiroshi smiled gently and nodded. He motioned for Koji to follow him and led him to a beautiful garden behind the monastery. The garden was filled with vibrant flowers, graceful trees, and a small pond that reflected the azure sky. As they sat beside the pond, Master Hiroshi closed his eyes and entered a state of serene silence. Koji watched in awe as the master seemed to blend harmoniously with the surrounding nature. There was no need for words. The silence spoke volumes. In that moment, Koji felt a deep sense of peace and connection. He realized that the silence between them was not empty or devoid of meaning. Instead, it was filled with understanding, empathy, and a shared presence that transcended the limitations of language. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, as Koji and Master Hiroshi continued their silent encounters in the garden. With each passing day, Koji's awareness grew, and he started noticing the subtle details of their shared experiences. The rustling of leaves, the gentle breeze against his skin, and the rhythmic chirping of birds became a symphony of connection and understanding. One evening, as Koji and Master Hiroshi sat together, Koji broke the silence. "Master," he whispered, "I have come to realize that true connection is not limited to words. In the stillness and quietness, I find a deep sense of intimacy and understanding that words alone cannot express." Master Hiroshi smiled warmly. "You have learned a valuable lesson, young Koji," he said. "Words have their place, but silence holds a power of its own. It is in those moments of shared silence that we truly connect with others and recognize the profound interconnectedness of all beings." From that day forward, Koji carried the wisdom of the Zen harmony of silence and connection within his heart. He shared this knowledge with others, guiding them to embrace the power of silence as a means to forge deeper bonds and cultivate a sense of unity. And so, the village was forever changed as its inhabitants began to appreciate the beauty of silence and the unspoken language that binds us all together. The harmony of silence and connection became a guiding principle, reminding everyone that true understanding can often be found in the spaces between words, where the heart speaks its gentlest whispers.